Start going around outside of you. Once you become immortal, are you a superhero? Go that way, go that way. Go that way. Hula, Super Duper, Hula Hoop Hero. Finals. That looks pretty good. Okay, now you can start getting out in the middle so that you don't hit each other. So find you a place where you feel comfortable and don't hit me. All right, here we go. From now on, if your hula hoop hits the floor, you're out. All right.
You're getting sloppy.
Go sit down if you're losing your hula hoop. Better start getting good at it because we're going to start adding a few twists to this.
Kylie, don't move.
All good? Okay, give me a little bit of music on low. 1, 2 feet.